Ever seen like this? Here in Hope for 27 years. How fast the water, how high it is. Hoping it will come down soon. Really high. Been here for 27 years. So this one here, it's our hole number 5. And you can see it's full of debris. And right here is our hole number 6. So this is our hole number 6. As you can see, it was flooded. That's what Mother Nature does to us. It's crazy. This bird does not belong here, but this bird is here because of the windstorm and the rainstorm. Does not look like a golf course. So the biggest damage that we have here in this golf course is the hole number 7. So we're going to hole number 7 now. Again, I'm just here, my daily walk, and I'd just like to share with you guys what's really happening here after the rainstorm in British Columbia. As you can see now, our fairway is gone. This is the fairway here. And of course the water took most of it here. Just crazy. See what water can do, can damage. This is gonna cost millions of dollars to fix it. This river is not supposed to be here, wasn't here, but it did come this way. Broke our dike for the golf course. Yeah, it looks like a waterfall now, but this is a golf course. And all the way here, as you can see, right in this area here used to be our pond, but of course it's water now. It's just crazy. Yeah, I never had this water here before. I'm in this river. But as you can see, this is the cart part path to go across. and now it's all damaged. And that's the first river right out there. So again, this river does not belong here, but it did convert it in this way. You can see over there, those are the flag for the number 50. Tea box is totally destroyed. So right here I'm standing, this is our tea box, hole number 5. Again, this is our Hope Golf Course. It's pretty sad to look at. You guys can hear that chopper. They're rescuing people here. So there's a lot of people in Hope stranded. Over 1,000. So to get home, you can take that chopper or boat, because all the highway here is closed. So right here, this is our hole number 4. And here is our hole number 2. It's right there. So it's basically, there's hole number 3 and hole number 9, and it's not damaged. The rest of them is damaged. So I'm coming out to hole number 3. This is the one here. It's basically, this is the only one. And hole number 9. It's not damaged for the whole golf course. Green is good. Tee box is good. As you can see right now, today is raining mixed with snow. So this hole here is our hole number 1. Fairway is not too bad, but when you go all the way here, that's our green right there. It's covered with sand and mud right now and rocks. So this one here is our hole number 8, fairway, and that's where the water came up. Our dike is gone for this golf course. It's just unbelievable, because that was a high dike. I would say about 4 to 5 meters higher. Now it's all flat, no more dike. This is gonna cost a tons of money to fix it. We're talking about millions here. And here is this is the river that went up. Show you guys the river. Here's all the debris is pretty bad. And that bridge right up there, it's about 3 to 4 meters. The water to go over on top of it. So right now I'm on top of the bridge going to the golf course here. So you can see the water. It's low right now, but they're asking for more rain today mixed with snow. So this is the area where I took the video, my short video last Monday. If you guys haven't seen it, you guys can see how violent the water coming up here. So last Monday, this is the area that I stopped walking because it was totally flooded. And as you can see, they're trying to release the water here. You can see now I'm standing in the mouth of the Coquihalla River here, and right over there is the Fraser River. So these are all the debris from the windstorm. Sunday, Monday, and we didn't have any power here for 2 days. So it's pretty bad, but luckily we didn't get flooded here in Hope, but some like Merritt and Abbotsford, they got flooded there, so it's not good. And here in Hope by Othello Tunnel, we lost few houses there. Like my friend's house is gone, and also as his car collection, they're all in the river. We don't know where they are now. He doesn't know. But I was talking to him, and that's how bad it is. So anyway, I thought I'll share it with you guys. This rain storm here in Canada right now, in British Columbia. It's pretty bad. So thanks for watching, guys.